Moving on now, after all the muscle flexing, the BJP Sena Grand Alliance stays for now. The biggest losers are smaller allies, and that leaves some vital questions unanswered. Will this hasty patch-up formula work? And more importantly, for how long?
The Sena BJP Saffron Alliance back from the brink, the grand partnership has survived.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और शिवसेना का अलायंस आगे चलते रहना चाहिए, ये मानसिकता शिवसेना में भी है, भाजपा की भी है और इसलिए कई अलग अलग प्रपोजल्स वर्कआउट किए जा रहे हैं.
आणि मला आणि भारतीय जनता पक्षाच्या आमच्या सगळ्या सहकाऱ्यांना पूर्ण विश्वास आहे युती राहणार आणि युती पुढे जाणार.
But none of the two big parties have conceded an inch. As per the new formula, BJP gets its 130 seats, while Sena sticks to its demand of 151. The biggest losers are small allies in the Mahayuti, who have been reduced to 7 seats. The day began with a crucial emergency huddle at the BJP office. After 2 hours, Sena top guns joined the meeting. And soon it was time for a photo op and to declare that all is well. Much before, Sena had set the tone for the meeting with a conciliatory editorial. And this one had come with the BJP refusing to budge from its demand. But while BJP Sena meet peace, the smaller parties squirmed. The big brothers had left only 7 seats for 4 parties, while 2 among them had no specific demands for seats. RPI had demanded 20 and RSP 10. Clearly a take-it-or-leave-it deal for the smaller partners.
Even as Sena BJP unveiled the new seat-sharing formula, the smaller parties in the alliance are still stuck to their demands. As per the sources inside the party, 7 seats are just not enough. But the brinkmanship continued late into the evening, with all the Mahayuti partners holding their cards close to their chest and Sena BJP trying to get them on board. Amrita Shedge in Mumbai for Headlines Today.